Hey guys, so today we are going to create a budget using Google Sheets. So for starters, we're on Google, so we're going to go to scroll down and go to Google Sheets. So I already created my budget just because I had to think about what I spent and all of that, which wasn't much. So to create a Google Sheets, you would just click right here. And then this is like a template that you can fill out, automatically fill in all of your stuff. So I will come right here to my filled out budget. So right here are my 8 categories. So this is what I plan on paying. So I inserted, let's see, for example, the 120 I plan to spend on gas. But let's just say I actually spent $100. So my difference is $20. So I do that for each one. I don't really have many bills. So then I come over here and type in my paycheck, or you can type in your paycheck right here for the month. And it just calculates your start balance, your end balance, how much you save. Then you can come right here and type in your different expenses and your income, and then it automatically goes onto here. Then once you get done, you can just come right here and click share. You can add people to your group. You can have it restricted or kind of public, or anyone who has the link can access it. You can copy the link and you just press done. To change your title, I have it monthly budgeted title. So yeah,